like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, since I'm coming back off being sick, I got 2 Ipsy Glam bags, one for December and one for January. And I thought, well, this would be a good opportunity to do a get ready with me type thing. And we could also see the consistency between one month and the next. Now, I'm not sure which is which, so I believe this is Christmas because it's red. And we've had this bag before. We've had it before, and it does have this pull tab here. And as a matter of fact, look, Dan was playing with the exact same one. He's got a bunch of change in there because, you know, he's going to make him $1 million looking around Grandma's house. But I thought between having 2 different bags, I might be able to get enough for a whole face. So we're going to see what happens. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out of December's is Tasha. Let me turn this. Okay, this is Tatcha Indgo Overnight Repair. And it looks like this. And I forgot to do my nails. Darn it. And that's what it looks like. Oops, and that's what it looks like. Sorry, it's Tatcha Overnight Repair. And it's just an overnight cream. Okay, then. I'm just going to take them all out. Maybe I can get them in order. Who knows? Okay. And then we have this one. This is MEMOIRE with vitamin C eye cream. NipFab eye cream. And it has that kind of, and it's just, I'll go ahead and throw some on my face because, you know, can you ever really have too much moisture? Well, I'm sure people can, but not me because, you know. But I'm feeling much, much better now and well on the road to recovery. So that's good. Then we have Purisse Vitamin C, Sheer Glow Strawberry Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer. Now this is just a tinted moisturizer, and it has a, this is what it looks like. That is the color. So I do have a sponge over here. I'll just put it right on the sponge for this for these purposes. Okay, so there's that. So we got some sort of, did I really do a shitty job? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Okay. Oh, here it is. And I will put all the links in the description and the prices. I'll put the price of our value on the screen, and below I'll put our value plus how much it costs to buy it full size. Then we have Catherine Malandering Fragrances Mystere Fragrance. And that's what that looks like. Very pretty. And I do like the fact that when they give us fragrances, you know, I would call them trial sizes, but they are not. They're not. You see, this is how big it is. You can put it right in your purse or whatever. But also, it's not so small that one use and they're gone either. I always put it inside the box. That smells good. What's it got in it? This irresistible scent, let's pick it up and read. Okay. This irresistible scent is giving demure meets cutesy with opening scents of cranberry, orange, and splash of apricot that bloom into a deep rose, peony, and violet. It rounds with warm, dry, creamy caramel, rich tonka, musk, and cedarwood. Now, I don't like musk and cedarwood smells. I really don't. But I do like the smell of this. I like that it's sweet with it. All I did was wash my hair, and just so you know. Okay, and then the last, oh no, not the last thing. The next to last thing. We got, what is this? Okay, this is the last thing, and it's got a package on it, and I forgot to do my nails again, so it is what it is. I'll do these two, and it looks like a little peel. Well, not a little peel, it looks like a big old peel, but isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? So I will try it. Now, is it a color I would normally reach for? No, by no means. No, I would never reach for this color normally. It's more of a color my mom would reach for. And did I do this? Okay. So that was the first one. Now, if you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's $14.99 plus $1.99 shipping, and you usually get 5 items, and you can choose whether you want perfumes or not. I always put yes because I like trying new scents, and every month you get a bag, which personally, when it comes time to raise prices, I wish they'd just do away with the bags, quite honestly. I'm sure there are those who don't, but I do. Okay, so with that, we're going to go ahead and go on to the second one. We'll see what we got in here. See if we got enough to finish this face. We'll see. I have really damaged skin. Okay, this is January's. This is January's bag. Of course, it says Ipsy right there. And it folds like a clutch. Now, I will take everything out. And the theme for this month is a clean slate. So, let's see. What is this? It must be this one. This is Goldie. Goldilocks Ultra Hydrating Hair Mask. And I will open. I had a safety seal. Now look, you push that far and it's still empty. So don't think you're getting a lot, because you're not. But that's the consistency. Some people want to know that. And it's just a hair mask. So there's that. Full size is 6.8 fluid ounces, and it's $56 for the full size. And then we got Pretty Vulgar Cool AF Lava Water Foundation in Skinny Dip. And this in full size is $42, so we'll just go ahead and try it. We've already got this stuff on. We'll just go one step further. And this is the consistency. Okay. Now just try it. I did see that they're doing an icon box next month. Now you have to be, ooh, that's orange. That's very orange. That's not even close. But we're gonna just fake it till we make it, right? That's not even close to my color. No, nah. Good Lord. Really gotta blend that in because it's not even close to my color. This is one of the colors you wear outside and people are going, oh my. Behind you and don't want to say nothing. So there's that. It's got pretty good coverage. It's just not the right color for me. And they've been pretty dead on my colors, so. But it's just not the right color for me. My hairband's falling out, but that's okay. We'll fix it. Okay. Yeah, full size of this is $42. Yeah, I did say that. Okay, the next thing is this. And it's Laura Mercier setting spray. So we won't use it yet. That is different. You can see me from across the room. Now, I assume you gotta shake it because it's separated. And all you do is when you're done with your makeup, you just spray this on. But since I don't have a, ew, it doesn't have a very good spray. It's kind of, see, look, it's kind of going in drops. But there's that. And then that value is $21 for that. Then we have Memoir Archives Candy Shop Fragrance. And it looks like this. And like I said, I just love getting perfume in these things. I really do. Because a lot of times it's stuff I couldn't afford otherwise. Ew, that one lip is coming off. I'll squirt it in here. No, I'll squirt it in here. And then we just let it go. It smells good, and I normally don't like cotton candy and stuff like that. I don't normally like stuff that makes you smell like food. Because personally, the full size on that is $62, I believe. Candy coated fragrance is nostalgia at its finest. The mouth-watering, delicious scent of peaches, watermelon gummies, and vanilla. So there you go. There's that. And then the last thing I got in this one was, what is it? YC Collection 9-pan eyeshadow palette. It looks like that. Those are the colors on the back. And there they are. Maybe if I can get them open. Sometimes make these things so hard to open. There I got it. And those are the colors. And we'll just, I don't know, pretend like I know what I'm doing even though I don't. Huh. Let's see what I got here. I don't. I just kind of play around a little bit because I suck at it. But that's okay. So we'll just take this brown and we'll put it in our crease. I usually like to put the darkest right here on my crease line. It kind of gives you a little bit more dimension. But I don't know if I can do this looking in my camera. I've got a mirror underneath it, but it doesn't seem to be doing so hot. Okay, then let's see. We'll go this one across the whole lid. I look like Mimi Bobek right now. Do you remember her from the Drew Carey show? Old Mimi Bobek? There, that calmed it down a little bit. Now I can push it back down. Okay. And then we'll put a light in the middle. Take the lightest color, put it here. Probably shouldn't. Yeah, we'll take the lightest color and put it towards the inside. Okay, and then we'll take this other brush and just kind of mix it all together. No, they're not the same, but that's okay. We'll see which one we like better. Okay, then I'll take this glitter. Now, I usually do glitters with my fingers because it... And I'll just put that right in the center. And there's that. And this, I believe, is a full size. I believe so. Then I just need to put my lips, or my mascara on. And the eyeliner, and I'm done. Okay, and this is, what does that say? $30. So this was $30. So this is already more than your box, so you really can't beat it. So there you go. There you go with that. A little dark, but I think my sister is darker than me, so I might give it to her. See what she thinks of it. But anyway, those are January and December's glam bag. So come on back. Like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Bye.